Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 2839. Check if strings can be made equal with operations. Number 1. The question mentioned two strings S1 and S2, but both of them are with lengths of 4. That means, say, for the first string, we can write it in this way: 0, 1, 2, and 3. Same thing, we can do it for the other string. String number 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. And the question they ask us to check if these two strings can be made equal to each other. But based on the condition to swap these two characters. So imagine this way: if we sorted these characters, then check if they are equal to each other. In this case, if after sorted these two characters are not equal to each other, that means there's no way, no matter how many times we swap them, there's no way we can make them equal. That means it's a fail. So the first thing we want to check is if 0, 2 compare is not equal, then we return false. Same thing, we can do the same thing for the other two characters, which is the number 1 and the number 3. If the sorted string list are not equal to each other, then we can return false. Otherwise, by default, if nothing failed, we can just return true by default. This is the solution we're gonna solve this problem.